Hi, this is Brandon Perez from Troop 14 Scry. This is your December digital newsletter. I was waiting until I got my cast cut off to do this, and now I'm in a boot with crutches for about a month. And when the nurse was cutting off the cast, $5 flew out of my cast like I was a pinata. But check out Mr. Ham's pictures on Facebook from the latest camping trips. Keep up to date for the January camping trips by visiting the Troopmaster website. Mr. Fine would come in every month or so to meetings. Well, every month for meetings to collect blue cards and for advancement. And for the fact of the day, did you know that McDonald's has their own place for families, children that are in the hospital? Kind of bet you didn't know that. And that those places are called Ronald McDonald houses. There's one at 145 Somerset Street in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Across the street from there is the Robert Wood Johnson Hospital, also where I got my surgery the first time I had crutches. So, just try to imagine this with me. When you're going into the Ronald McDonald House, there is, well, at least the one I went to, there are 4 floors, that's including a basement. So, when you go to the first floor, there is where you sign in, living room and kitchen. Second floor is where your families are staying, and third floor is where the laundry room is, and the basement is where the playroom is, and that's where anyone can hang out there and just play around. They're doing a fundraiser there, and it's to collect tabs, or canned tabs, just like these kind of tabs. So when I see you at the next meeting, try to bring these tabs in, or just get them off, and then leave them in one of these. I'll bring them to the next meeting where the sign-in sheet is. So if you have any of those, just put them in there. And that's it. At least for this. Now, have a great time with your family over winter break, and may the Force be with us, because don't forget to watch the new Star Wars movie, Star Wars The Last Jedi. I thought it was pretty great, and I'm not going to spoil it, because I think it would be really good for you guys. But as I was saying, may the Force be with us in the new year, and I hope that I would have no more broken bones in 2018. Alright, bye. That's it.